Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and opening the right settings. You must know the current photo lock password so you can authenticate. Once done, backup photos to iCloud or a drive to avoid loss. Now open Settings, go to Privacy or the Photos Lock section, and tap to enter. Authenticate with PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID. Make sure battery is above 20% and Wi-Fi is active. These steps prevent interruption and allow secure sync while you change the password. Once authenticated, you proceed to set the new password. This is where precision matters, so take a breath and type carefully. Enter a strong password of at least 8 characters, combining letters and numbers, and avoid obvious choices like birthdays. After you create it, confirm by retyping. Make sure both entries match exactly. Then enable biometric unlock if your device supports it, and add a recovery email or code if offered. These options let you regain access without losing photos. Save the change, then force close the Photos app and reopen it to test the new lock immediately. You want to confirm access and that biometric unlock works. Once verified, sync other devices and update any password manager or keychain entries so everything stays consistent. If something goes wrong, if you get locked out, pause and use the recovery code, restore from your iCloud backup, or contact device support. That single troubleshooting step often recovers access without data loss, so try it before drastic measures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.